no trust phone, me no own, me no like it. Picture I go round, says I'm a wifey.
We just in the 3rd of March, and yet still so much viral topic a go round. A long time, Buju talk still, and I tell you say, him no trust phone, and I say, no fi wise up on all these things. Now silent, ravers have to keep silent, and it look like say him have to go stop rave, you know. After him caught himself in a very compromising position with a male cross-dresser.
Whoa, me mama, me belly, what funny?
Jano Star. We are going to talk about that. And Silent Ravers is not a member of the Ding Dong Brand Ravers Clavers. Jano Star. All of that and more coming up.
Silent! All the names are over!
Yeah. Chadi Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chadi Marie TV.
So people, Silent kind of find himself in a kind of weird, awkward position. Jano, why? Anyway, still, this hombre on the internet, I don't know what the hombre name, you see me? I just hear say the hombre is a cross-dresser, or sometimes dress like woman, sometimes dress like man. I don't know, I don't know, him is a what. But this thing up on the internet, you see me? A girl and a message some of the artists, them and a message public figure. Anyway, Silent Ravers end up get catch star. Apparently, the hombre must go message Silent Ravers. Silent Ravers probably feel like he's a female, but he's a male. Me no know how he make that mistake there. Don't ask me. Anyway, Silent Ravers go up on a video call with this person. And when me hear, because I know me not watch a video, you know, I cannot watch a video like that to me hear people describe it to me. You see me? So my subscriber them reach out to me and say, Chadi, this a go on. Cha. Silent Ravers start video in behind on Instagram. It was an Instagram video call. So the hombre screen record it and now it all over the internet. So me did swear say this a story I wash out and me I say, yo, Chadi, we not go touch that story there. Was it a deal with the part there and we don't like the part that's over here, so. You see me? We don't do that something there over here, so. But then Ding Dong addressed it. Ding Dong addressed it on Foota Hype Live. Because you know, say when Foota Hype get an understanding of what really go on with them something, the Foota Hype a go burn straight fire upon it. No, I not go say Ding Dong forward and a defense silent, you know. I not say that. But Ding Dong forward and make we know say Silent not too affiliated with the Ravers Clavers no more. And me a telling the people that me kinda get from it. Anyway, before we go in the Ravers video, before we go in the Ding Dong video, sorry. Before we talk about the Ding Dong video, Slick White Line, I go probably explain what really take place even better than me. People, watch this skit.
Catch it, you catch it! Silent!
Silent Ravers, come out of the closet. Are you my comfort?
Sure.
Ding, don't worry yourself, you're safe. Silent, you are a liar, meet me out the door now. Hey Disha, tell him not come no closer, you know. Silent, what you have to tell dancehall? But you are jump batty wall and I make batty call.
Say God.
You let down the whole of Ravers. All Ramesh no stop ball and I disturb the neighbors. Killer, you see it? Yuck. And the boy Silent, you know, in the care, you're out there without fear of show batty boy area. But the cat, him say him never know say he's a man.
So we are tell that.
Even if you never know he's a man, why you have to show him your bottom?
Your body man left us a man.
What I'm saying is, Ding, what all me I said to you, say, and this now nothing to do with the business and nothing. Ravers Clavers is your brand.
Yes.
I want to know now, is this man still a part of the crew or not? One question.
And I do what I do, and you can't, anytime you see him or anytime you see him, you can't ask him. Yeah, let me show you something.
No, me ask you.
Foota, listen what me I say to you, Foota. See, I mean, I have to answer that publicly because people go and see it. You understand what I mean, brother? Because guess what got me now? Guess what got me now, Footer? And I can't talk to yo because sometimes when everything good feet good for talk, Footer. You hear me? I tell you.
I just one thing we want to know still.
Yeah.
If him in the crew or not, still. That's all.
And wait I go do. Him not in the crew. All right. Him not in the crew.
Good. Okay.
Wait
Thank you. Fair.
Him not in the crew. So you ever stop talking about it tomorrow? Him not in the crew.
Me not business. Me a talk about him without Ravers.
Footer, hold on. Him not in the crew. You ever stop talking about it tomorrow?
No, me a talk about silent without Ravers. Who that? Me not hear your thing, your voice, you're gone. Somebody a call you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, hear me now.
Yeah.
Okay. Me a listen to my boss.
Yeah. So
what you
say
now?
Talk anything you saw. We still ever talk about it tomorrow.
No. But watch this now. The difference is about talking about it tomorrow. You see, talking about what him do is excluded from Ravers. This is the point where I make. It's not whether this can't start talk about till life end. It can't start. It not gonna vanish. What I'm saying is, me like how you tell me straight say him and I crew again. So we deal with him accordingly. That's all me did want here. Big up my brother. You know if you say a word more. We love you. Ravers King. Big up. And who I call ding every minute, man?
Footer. Because guess why? Guess why, Footer? Because I'm me the your life.
You know your boss?
People will call me. And people will call me and tell me say, if you hang up the phone ding because we know you. And Footer,
no.
What me I say?
Ding, you know if you say nothing more. Nothing else.
Footer. Anything when me did say on that talk, the same thing tomorrow?
No, Ding, me not agree with that. The reason why I'm glad say you said that is because I am glad you separate this.
Yo, brother, let me show you something, dog. It's the wickedest thing, dog. It's the wickedest thing. You would even understand, Footer. You would even understand.
But Ding, you know, get what I'm saying.
Let me show you something.
Me no want understand all more know what you say. You say, him no not cool no more. That means he can't bring nothing over your side, brother.
Footer, listen to me, say to you, my brother. See? Footer, you're my brother. See? And how me say, Footer, if social media fi stop tomorrow, me done. Me alright. Me find other ways to live. My life is built on social media. I'm going to build a career over social media.
Right.
See? A street, my work from me, a street youth.
Me too.
See me, Footer, I try with all heap of youth. And when I try with all heap of youth, I have to come around we first. And they run me. And a little youth, they never give no farmer indication and nothing at all, like him staying away and at all. Never ever in a life.
Me neither.
And a man personal, listen to me again now, Footer. And I don't control where a man do. Personally. See?
Me tell them that already.
Listen me now.
Tell them that.
Listen me. Because Uno and people who just want a conversation or people who just want something to talk about, just pick the wrong things to talk about more time or the wrong way to talk about things more time. Because you know why? All of the headlines that we see is not nobody individually is Ding Dong and Romeich worker because that's what
that's
the story.
Brother, but you never watch the life from the start.
You send me something. You send me a book a while ago where somebody DM me. You DM me a book a while ago where somebody sent me with them right and send at no given time. At no given time. Whosoever the accused name or whosoever named it in it is Ding Dong and Romeich. Because that's selling a story, bro.
No, true. No,
that's
you're right.
Selling a story, bro.
Ding, listen up.
And
listen up.
I said to you, no, Footer, no. Listen me.
No, but wait, that thing, let me say something to you first.
Yeah.
Remember, saying if more you're careful because you never watch your life and it start.
Yeah.
I already pointed out these things already. Same thing what you say? Me say it already. In depth. That's why I tell you, say, me no want you even say nothing more till you really watch and see what I say before.
Yeah.
Because all of what I say, I repeat what I say already. Zine, me know what them are do. Them are try to show you and Romeich and the boss when they have nothing to do with it. That's why I'm glad say your company live and I one day get a question me do want your answer and you answer it. So you don't have to explain nothing more, brother.
No, but Footer, on our company, something there, your company thing there, and you make me see. when you say, you want to know how them feel about it, somebody from Ravers have to answer, and somebody have to, Foota, you probably have every Ravers number where you can call.
No, you know, say you feel like, you know, ding.
If you did want to know something personally.
Ding. Before you go no further, just watch it live when it comes.
No, man, Foota, I'm not time for that.
But ding, you talk about, but ding, this sound like you say, me, I say something attacking.
No,
but
I am not
that's why I said ding. Please,
listen, I am not
just watch it live now when it's done.
Foota, I am not saying that. I am saying that me and you and I want social media personnel.
No, but this is about, but you know, listen when I say ding. This is about me and you. You said the wrong thing, ding.
Foota, listen me. You couldn't pick up your phone and call me and say, ding, Ray, what the thing? All right, then you come on your live. Listen to Foota, just listen to me, brother, man. Talk to ding dang, Ray, and then you come so boom now, Ray. You see me? And then you come so boom now and say, all right, you go up on your live and go do what you do because you do what you do on your live. So now when you go up on live and be like, okay,
give me a chance. Give me a chance. Ding, give me a chance. Give me a chance. You go the wrong way with that conversation. What you say now make no sense because everybody were there so and hear me talk for night. No, me talking to Ding on a personal phone call is not the same thing as Ding sending out a public statement or whatever. Now you say the man is not a part. Hold on. Ding, finish.
Why do I have to? Why do
because
I have to?
You know why? Yeah. Let's be honest as friends. You know why?
Yeah.
Because Ravers Clavers Company belongs Ding Dong.
Yes.
This person operates under the brand Ravers Clavers. Okay?
Yes.
Now, this situation, for me, come tell the people and say, people, Ding Sere or Ding Sere is not the same thing as Ding saying Ray. No, I want to question your answer for me, brother. I'm going to tell you say that answer everything, you know. Everything, you know, brother. That answer everything. Me now try to tell you. If you watch it live from when we start to now, then you don't understand, say, everything what you say now is you say it in the wrong text. Because Foota now look no clout off of this. I am actually here from the beginning of the live defending your integrity and your name. And Ramish's integrity and his name. Now the way it sound like you say, me depend the live, I look at clout out of this.
No.
Are you? No, brother, but
no.
All me,
no.
Ding, you see what you say? You say?
Listen, Foota, there's a lot of people who talk and do them thing and them do them rare, and people even call me and say, yo, Ding, and people even reason with me and say, Ding, God no.
Yeah.
See? Like people will call me, when know me, call me and say, yo, Ding, like 24/7 my phone. Get called and say, yo, Ding, rate it. And this is something we have to go deal with because guess what I mean now? It's my brand, as we say. It's my brand, it's my entity. I build this from scratch. I have 30 of the youth.
Ding, read them comment there. Read them comment. Just read them comment.
Foota, I don't know how to depend live and read comment. I don't time for
no, but more you understand, say Ding.
Listen,
where we are talking about more really fun.
Just listen to you a while ago, Foota. Just listen to you a while.
All right.
And I am showing to you that when I select people in a Ravers, them come around me. I never come so boom and go check them out which part them live and where them come from and rate it. Me just a youth where me give youth opportunity where me never did get as a youth where I dance.
Exactly.
Everybody where they run me is a business. I work my work blood. I work me run. Cause everybody where they run me get paid. Everybody. Every single soul. I'm here the uncle. I'm talk straight youth. I'm here the uncle artist. We're moving so much people and every man get paid. So it's a business me I run.
I agree.
Of course.
I mean,
Of course, someone did something from the group, which is Ray. And I chose to deal with it professionally, my way. Because guess what? I am not just a street personnel. I represent corporate. So I have to have a business mind. And everything where I say, that's why I can't sing about certain things. I can't talk about certain things. Plus, I have a whole heap of people who look forward. You understand? So me can't do the things like, oh, everybody want me to do the time.
But me say that already.
You understand?
I did say that.
Yeah.
I told the people them that already. Me tell them that already. That's why me tell you say, more you watch it live from start and don't join it halfway and listen halfway, brother. You have to watch the full live. Because I said everything that you're saying already.
Okay, cool.
So please, brother, good. Have a good night. Right. Enjoy your career, brother. Big up yourself. Keep doing the good and just watch it.
So people, what me get from that video is it look like to me Ding Dong really never want, you see me, never necessarily want to go silent. But you don't know it go. I dance all already and at the end of the day, him have to protect his brand. You can see say Ding Dong really hurt and probably never hurt, you know, but disappointed in a way. Silent ravers go on with on the internet. And you don't know it go. From you do them thing there, brother. From you stay a particular way certain things forward out on the internet with you. Ding Dong cannot have you around him again. You see me? So Ding Dong go so booms and do the right thing. And I guess Foota Hype, you know, being Foota Hype and being the person who Foota Hype is. Foota Hype just want to answer. And a matter of fact, you know, me not go play hypocrite. Me did want to answer too. You see me? I wanted to know if Silent still a move silent round the ravers. You see me? So I guess we get to understand what really go on. People, want to leave in the thoughts in the comment section below, you know, with all this unfortunate situation here. And again, me I tell you no, Fala Buju, don't just phone the phone something there. A matter of fact, the phone something there, I make we know who people is too. So I don't even know what I go on with that something there still. Anyway, leave it in the comment section below. Big up yourself, Ding Dong. Big up yourself, Foota Hype. Big up yourself, ravers. Or I should say, no, not ravers. Yeah, ravers big up themselves, but big up yourself, Silent. Cannot call it Silent ravers again. Because you're always silent now, you're not rave. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way or any other way or the wrong way, my gone.